If you live in a home, watch this. 21. Silent cancer. Risks around you. What if I told you that the place you feel safest might be quietly exposing you to toxins linked to long-term health problems? The cleaning supplies under your sink, the candles on your dresser, even the water coming from your faucet could all be hiding chemicals you'd never expect. And the craziest part? Most people use these items every single day without the slightest clue. Today, we're breaking down the everyday household spots where cancer-associated toxins can lurk. Places so common, you'll be shocked you never questioned them before. By the end of this video, you'll see your home through a completely different lens. Let's explore the list. 1. Cleaning products under the sink and laundry area. Many household cleaners contain harsh chemicals such as formaldehyde-releasing preservatives, 1,4-dioxane, and solvents that can build up in indoor air. These ingredients don't just clean surfaces, they leave behind residues and fumes you breathe daily. Over time, repeated exposure can contribute to respiratory irritation and long-term health risks. The problem is that these products often smell fresh, tricking you into thinking they're harmless. Many are also packaged in aerosols, which spread particles deeper into the air. Switching to fragrance-free, safer choice cleaners can drastically reduce your exposure. Small changes like this add up faster than you think. 2. Air fresheners and scented candles. Those warm, cozy scents you love may actually release harmful chemicals like phthalates, benzene, and toluene into your living space. When burned, scented candles can emit soot and volatile compounds that settle on surfaces and travel deep into your lungs. The fragrance seems harmless, but synthetic ingredients don't break down easily in the air. Over time, regular use can contribute to a buildup of indoor pollutants you never see. Some candles release toxins even when they're not lit. Choosing beeswax candles or minimal ingredient diffusers can drastically reduce the risk. It's a small switch with a big impact. 3. Tap water and old plumbing. Depending on where you live, your tap water may contain PFAS, chlorine byproducts, trace metals like lead, and even arsenic. These contaminants can sneak into older pipes or come from outdated municipal systems. Many people assume clear water means clean water, but dangerous chemicals are invisible. Filtration systems like NSF 5358 certified filters can remove a wide range of these impurities. People often underestimate how much water exposure adds up. Drinking, cooking, bathing, and washing dishes all contribute. Clean water is one of the easiest ways to lower toxic load. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more people who need this information. 4. Your mattress. Your mattress might look soft and harmless, but many are made with foams, glues, and fire retardants that can off-gas VOCs for years. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, which means exposure can be long and continuous. New mattresses often release the highest levels of chemicals during the first few months. Poor ventilation makes the problem even worse. Choosing a low VOC or certified organic mattress can dramatically reduce exposure. Many brands now advertise certifications like Certipur US, GOELS, and GOTS. A cleaner sleeping environment means better long-term well-being. 5. New electronics. Brand new electronics, TVs, computers, game consoles, often emit brominated flame retardants as they heat up during use. These chemicals can settle into dust and circulate around your home. The smell of a new device is often the scent of off-gassing chemicals. People rarely think about electronics as a source of indoor pollution, but they are one of the most overlooked contributors. Allowing them to air out can significantly reduce exposure. Keeping them in well-ventilated areas can also help. And here's the scary part. What you're about to see next is hiding in almost every home, and most people have zero idea it's even dangerous. 6. Carpets, rugs, and furniture, off-gassing. New carpets, padding materials, and furniture made from pressed wood often release VOCs, such as formaldehyde, a known carcinogen. These chemicals can linger for months, sometimes years after installation. You might notice a new smell, but that scent is actually a sign of off-gassing. Over time, poorly ventilated rooms allow these toxins to accumulate in the air you breathe. Children and pets who spend more time on the floor are even more exposed. Choosing low VOC products can dramatically lower risk. Airing out new purchases can make a huge difference. 7 pesticides stored indoors. Bug sprays, roach traps, weed killers, and other pesticide products often contain chemicals that have been linked to endocrine disruption and long-term toxicity. When stored indoors, especially in kitchens or laundry rooms, these chemicals can leak into the air or contaminate surfaces. Even closed bottles can emit vapors over time. Using them indoors can create an even bigger problem, especially in unventilated spaces. These products are designed to kill living organisms, so it's no surprise they can have unintended effects on humans with repeated exposure. Keeping them tightly sealed or replacing them with safer alternatives can reduce risk. This is especially important in homes with children or pets. At mold and mildew, bathrooms, basements, HVAC. While mold itself doesn't cause cancer, the toxins, spores, and inflammation it triggers can weaken your immune system over time. Moist, poorly ventilated spaces like bathrooms and basements are perfect breeding grounds. Mold often grows behind walls or under flooring long before you ever see it. Breathing in mold-contaminated air can lead to chronic respiratory issues, fatigue, and immune stress. HVAC systems can spread these spores throughout your home. Proactive cleaning and moisture control are essential. Fixing leaks and using dehumidifiers can transform your indoor air quality. 9 cooked food fumes. High-heat cooking methods like frying, grilling, and charring release PAHs and HCAs, chemicals associated with increased cancer risk. The more smoke produced, the more toxins are released into your kitchen air. Without proper ventilation, these chemicals can linger long after cooking is done. Many people don't realize how much exposure happens in small or poorly ventilated kitchens. Using exhaust fans, keeping windows open, and avoiding burnt food can reduce the problem. Even marinating meats has been shown to lower HCA formation. Small cooking changes make a big difference. Household dust. Dust acts like a magnet for chemicals, flame retardants, heavy metals, microplastics, even residue from cleaning products. Every time you walk, vacuum, or move furniture, these particles become airborne again. People underestimate how much dust they inhale daily. Children, who play on the floor, inhale far more than adults. Using a HEPA vacuum can significantly reduce particle levels. Wet dusting prevents dust from spreading back into the air. Removing shoes at the door also keeps contaminants from being tracked inside. 11 laundry products, detergents, softeners, dryer sheets. Many laundry products contain preservatives, synthetic fragrances, and chemicals like 1,4-dioxane or phthalates. These ingredients remain on clothing and can be absorbed through the skin or inhaled as clothing rubs and moves. Dryer sheets release vapors that cling to fabrics and circulate through the air. If you've ever felt irritated skin or headaches from laundry scents, this may be why. Choosing hypoallergenic options reduces exposure drastically. Even skipping dryer sheets altogether is an easy upgrade. Clean clothes shouldn't come at a health cost. 12 old paint and painted walls. Older paints may contain lead or arsenic, while newer paints can off-gas VOCs long after they dry. Renovations can release harmful particles into the air when walls are sanded or disturbed. Many homes still have layers of old paint hidden beneath newer coats. The smell of fresh paint is often a sign of chemicals evaporating into your air. Zero VOC paints are becoming more common and are a better choice for indoor health. Proper ventilation after painting is essential for reducing exposure. Simple steps can keep indoor air significantly cleaner. 13. Shower curtains and waterproof items. Vinyl shower curtains and waterproof plastics made from PVC can release phthalates and vinyl chloride into the air, especially when new. These chemicals can off-gas more in humid bathrooms where heat speeds up the process. The strong plastic smell is actually a sign of chemical release. These substances can linger for months, especially in small bathrooms with poor ventilation. Fabric or PVA curtains are a much safer alternative. They dry faster, harbor less mildew, and contain fewer toxic compounds. Making this switch is inexpensive and effective. 14 hair products and cosmetics. Many hair dyes, styling products, and cosmetics contain formaldehyde-releasing agents, parabens, and even coal tar dyes. These ingredients can be absorbed through the skin or inhaled during use. Personal care products are used daily, making cumulative exposure much higher than people expect. Many consumers assume that if a product is sold in stores, it must be safe, but regulations vary widely. Reading ingredient labels helps you avoid the worst offenders. Cleaner formulas are becoming more available. Your beauty routine shouldn't compromise your health. 15 nail polish and removers. Traditional nail polishes often contain toluene, formaldehyde, and DBP, chemicals that can affect both respiratory and reproductive health. These fumes can linger in small rooms for hours. Nail polish remover can add even more chemical exposure. Frequent salon visits can increase this even further due to repeated inhalation. Choosing 3-free, 5-free, or 10-free formulas is a simple solution. These options work just as well while reducing harmful chemicals. A few small swaps can greatly lower exposure. 16 Printer Ink and Toner. Laser printers release ultrafine particles made of toner ingredients that can include carbon black, a possible carcinogen. These particles are easily inhaled when printing. Many people place printers in bedrooms or small offices without ventilation. Over time, this can lead to constant exposure to airborne contaminants. Keeping printers in ventilated areas helps limit the spread of these particles. Avoid standing over the printer while it runs. It's a simple habit change with real benefits. 17 indoor fireplaces and candles. Burning wood, scented candles, and even paraffin candles releases PAH, benzene, and soot into the air. These pollutants can settle into carpets, furniture, and air ducts. Many people underestimate how much exposure occurs during a single evening of burning candles or wood. Poor ventilation makes everything worse. Beeswax candles burn cleaner and are a safer alternative. Using a well-ventilated fireplace or reducing burning time helps protect your indoor air. Comfort shouldn't come at the cost of clean air. 18 cookware storage areas. Scratched nonstick pans, old aluminum pots, and rusted metal cookware can leach chemicals or metals into food. Many people keep damaged cookware for years without realizing the risks. When pans overheat or break down, they release particles you can inhale while cooking. Replacing damaged cookware is one of the easiest ways to reduce exposure. Stainless steel and cast iron offer safer alternatives. Proper storage prevents scratches and damage. Treating cookware well helps preserve both your health and its performance. 19 garage and basement chemicals. Paint thinners, adhesives, automotive fluids, and cleaning agents release VOCs even when sealed. These chemicals often sit in warm, confined spaces, accelerating evaporation. Over time, fumes can seep into connected rooms or linger in the air. Using these products indoors increases exposure dramatically. Proper storage and ventilation are crucial. Opting for low VOC or safer alternatives reduces the risk. These small steps can keep your home far safer. 20 water heater and HVAC systems. Poorly maintained HVAC systems can circulate mold spores, dust, allergens, and combustion byproducts throughout your home. Dirty filters are one of the biggest sources of indoor air pollution. Over time, this leads to breathing in contaminants every single day. Regular maintenance can dramatically improve indoor air quality. Replacing filters every 1 to 3 months is one of the easiest fixes. Clean vents and ducts reduce buildup. Good airflow creates a cleaner, healthier home environment. 21. Old flooring, vinyl tiles, carpets, adhesives. Older vinyl tiles may contain asbestos, and outdated adhesives can release harmful VOCs. When floors crack or deteriorate, these particles can be released into the air. Removing old flooring without proper precautions can spread dangerous dust throughout your home. Testing for asbestos before renovation is essential. Newer low VOC flooring materials are far safer alternatives. Proper installation also minimizes chemical release. Flooring choices impact your indoor air for years to come. If this video opened your eyes and you want more content that helps you protect your health, make smarter choices and create a safer home, then hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Your support helps us spread life-changing information to more people. Stay healthy, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next one.